Happy morning, children. Welcome to today's Ilga class. Hope all are ready with your notebook, workbook, student reader, pencil, eraser, and sharpener, etc. Today we are going to revise Unit 5. We completed our Unit 5, right? So that we are going to revise Unit 5. Based on this revision, you have one test on tomorrow. Yes. Shall we go to revise Unit 5? Yes. I want all of you to clap your hands. When I say the number for the counting, you're going to clap your hands. Shall we start? When I say the number 2, you clap your hands for 2 times. Like this, I'm going to say the number. Listen to me carefully and then clap your hands. Right. Yes. Listen to me. The number is 5. That means clap your hands for 5 times. 5. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, I'm going to say the number 3. Clap your hands for 3 times. Good. 3. I start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, I want all of you to open your SR book. Open SR1, page number 6. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we are going to revise the blends. Look at this. Just point out with your finger and then say along with me. Sl, blend. Sl, slide. Sl, sleep. Sl, slippers. Sl, slow. Sl, slim. Sl, slip. Sl, slant. Sl, slid. Let us see the next blend sound. Look at the next blend sounds. St, blend. St, star. St, stamp. You too read along with me, ma. St, stas. St, store. St, step. St, stem. St, stun. St, stop. As your own, try to read the story in this SR1. When these whole words means, you just look at the word and then say the word as it is. If it is a blend words means, you just segment in the word into beginning, middle and then end, and then try to read the blend words, phonic words. Is it okay? Yes, just try to read the story as your own in your SR book. Let us open your next page. Open SR7 and the page number 12. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the first blend sound. Sp, sp, blend. Read along with me, ma. Just point out with your finger and then read along with me. Sp, spider. Sp, spoon. Sp, spinach. Sp, spray. Sp, spin. Sp, spat. Sp, spit. Sp, spot. Let us see the next blend sound. Look at the next blend sound, ma. Sn, blend. Sn, snack. Sn, snake. Sn, snore. Sn, snail. Sn, snip. Sn, snap. Sn, snub. Sn, snug. In this page you have one story. You just try to read the story by using the phonic. If you use phonic words means you just segmenting the words into beginning, middle and then end, and then try to read the story as your own in your SR7. Next you have to open SR16. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Sk, sk, blend. Sk. You just point out with your finger and then read along with me loudly. Sk, screw. Sk, scarf. Sk, scale. Sk, scad. Sk, scab. Sk, scam. Sk, scan. Sk, Scott. Let us see the next blend. Look at the next blend sound, ma. Sw, sw, blend. Sw, sweep. Sw, switch. Sw, sweater. Sw, swing. Sw, sweat. Sw, swim. Sw, swig. Sw, swat. Same, you have story in this page number SR16. You just go through the story and then read the story as your own. Next you have to open your SR20 and the page number 25. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Sk, blend. Look down on this page, ma. Sk, skate. Sk, skeleton. Sk, skirt. Sk, sky. Sk, skid. Sk, skim. Sk, skin. Sk, skip. Turn next page. SR21. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Hope you are ready. Let us see the next blend sound. Sm, sm, blend. Sm, smell. Sm, small. Sm, smoke. Sm, smile. Sm, smog. Sm, smug. In this page also we have one story, ma. You just read the story. When it is a phonic word means you just segmenting the words into beginning, middle and then end. And when it is a whole word means you just look at the word and then say the word as it is. Like this, try to read this story in this SR21. And then just go through all these blend sounds, all these blend words we read in our class. You just go through all the blend words and then practice again this word in your SR book. You just look at the next page, whole words. 22, SR 22 ma. Hope you are ready with your SR book. Let us going to revise the new whole words in SR 22. If you are not ready means you just ready with your SR 22. I start countdown 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you all get ready with your SR book. Just point out with your finger and then read the word along with me. Them. Them. Repeat it again. Them. Most. Most. Say the word again. Most. Using. 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 Let us move to the next word. Hold. Hold. Try to hold this pencil correctly. Hold. Thought. Thought. Say along with me. Thought. Look at the next word. Show. Show. Show me your book. Show. Look at the next word. Watch. 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 Next. Next. Just point out with your finger and then read the word along with me. Next. Into. Into. Pour into the bottle. Into. Eat. 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 Other. What is this? Other. Will. 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 Now. 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 No. 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 I know your name. No. Asks. Asks. Read. Read. Read the story. Read. Words. Words. Spell the words. Words. Keep. What is this? Keep. Keep. Look at the next word. Met. 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 Safe. 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 Be safe. Try to read again these new words in your SR 22 and then write the spelling of each and every words 2 times. Have to write these new words 2 times in your notebook. You just say and write the spelling ma. You must write neatly. The handwriting must be good. Don't scribble on notebook. Try to write neatly in your notebook. Say the spelling and then write it 2 times and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Next, you have to open your SR2. I start countdown 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we are going to read the stories in our 5th unit. The first story, heading of the story, Chinese way of eating. You just point out with your finger and then read along with me loudly. You must read along the story, ma. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Minesh Shah. Neha was on her trip to China. She saw many different things. Look at the second page. She saw the Great Wall of China. She saw martial arts and pandas too. Turn next page, SR3. Look at the page number 4. She saw chopsticks. She liked them the most. Look at the 5th page. She saw people using chopsticks to eat food. She was surprised. She saw they hold the sticks between their fingers, just like we hold a pencil. Just look at the 7th page. Then they bring a finger between the 2 sticks. Then they move the sticks up and down. Look at the 9th page, ma. Then they pick up the food with the sticks. Neha liked this way of eating food. I will show it to my family, she thought. Again, you read the story and then try to find out what was the story mostly about. You just go through the story and then try to find out what was the story mostly about. Turn SR8 and the page number 13. The cricket match. You too read along with me, ma. Author Sumit Mehta. Illustrator Piyush Dauda. Rita goes to watch a cricket match. India and Sri Lanka are playing. Look at the second page. Ron sits next to Rita. Ron is from Sri Lanka. Rita has a poster in Hindi. Ron has a poster in Sinhalese. Rita drinks Nimbu Pani. Ron drinks coconut water. Look at the 5th page. Rita jumps for Virat Kohli. Ron cheers for Angelo Matthews. Look at the 6th page. A ball comes at them. They rush to catch it and bump into each other. They laugh loudly. Watching cricket is fun. Again, go through this story and then you have to find out what was the story mostly about. Just find out what was the story mostly about. Next you have to open SR12. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. The heading is Moving to China. Moving to China. Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Minesh Shah. My friend Karan is going to China. He will live there with his family now. Look at the second page. He wants to know about the places in China. So, he asks his friends. He asked his teacher about China. Turn next page, my SR 13. He goes to the library. He reads books about China. He makes a list of places he will visit there. First, he will go to see the Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. Then, he will go to see the Summer Palace. Look at the next page, ma. Page number 8. After that, he will see the Yellow Mountains. At last, he will go and see the West Lake. He read that it is called Paradise on Earth. Look at the 10th page. He also wants to learn Chinese language. Turn next page, ma. He has made a long list. Karan will have a lot of fun in China. Like this, try to read the story again. As it is, we saw in the previous classes. And then have to find out what was the story mostly about. Let us see the next story. Turn SR 17. Who Guards the God? Author Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Minesha. Look at the first page. Dano is from Nepal. He works as a watchman in my building. He is awake all night. He keeps a watch on everyone. All the thieves are scared of him. Look at the next page, SR 18. I met him one day. I asked him, "Why have you become a god?" He said, "Nepali people serve the country." Look at the 6th page. Some of them are policemen. Some of them are soldiers. And a lot of them are gods. Turn next page, ma. SR 19. We love keeping people safe. You are very brave and helpful, I said. I thanked him for keeping us safe. I was thinking of Danu after going home. If Danu guards us, then who guards him? Just like that, you go through the story again in your book and try to find out what was the story mostly about. You just write all this story sentences in your notebook and then have to find out what was the story mostly about in each story, and then you have to complete the sentence in your notebook and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Next, you have to open SR 5 vocabulary words. going to revise all the vocabulary words in the stories. Shall we start? Yes. Trip. Just point out with your finger and then read along with me. Trip. Trip. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. What is this? Chopsticks. Surprised. Look at the picture. How she is? Yes, she was surprised. Surprised. Between. Between. Look at the picture. The finger is between the two chopsticks, right? Between. Move. Move. They move these chopsticks, right? Pick. Pick. They pick the noodles with the help of the chopsticks. Pick. Let us see the next vocabulary words. You have to open your SR11. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Look at the first one. Poster. Poster. This is poster, right? Cheers. They both of them make the cheers. Cheers. Rush. Rush means quickly. Rush. Bump. Bump. They hit their heads, right? Bump. What she is doing? Yes, she is laughing. Laugh. Laugh. Repeat it again. Laugh. Next you have to turn your page SR15 on the page number 20. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Look at this. Library. Library. Visit. 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 List. Look at this. Yes. They make a list, right? List. Language. Language. You have to open SR20. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Good. Look at the word. Awake. Awake. Thieves. Who's this? Thieves. Scared. Scared. Soldier. Soldier. God. God. You just go through again these vocabulary words in your SR bookmark. Try to read this word again. Next, we're going to revise the main idea and then details. Just open your SR5. Main idea. What is my main idea, ma? Main idea means what the story is mostly about. I thought already you have to find out what was the story mostly about. We read some stories now. Yes, in that we have to find out what was the story mostly about. That is the main idea of the story. How to find the main idea of the story? We have 2 steps to find out the main idea of the story. First one, look at the pictures. Just look at the pictures. Second one, look at the sentences and add details. Along with the picture, we have some sentences, right? So that you have to look at the sentence and then add some details. Like this, we have to find out the main idea and then details. Let us see the next. Open SR11. Making inferences. Making inference means guessing what is happening in the story by looking at the pictures. with the help of the pictures, guessing what is happening in the story. We have two steps. First step, look at the picture. You just look at the picture. And then second one, think what is happening based on what you see. Think about what is happening in the story with the help of what you see in this story. In this picture, I can see the boy wearing a coat, right? Gloves and a cap. I think it is cold outside and that is why he is wearing these clothes. Like this, making inference in your story. Next, open SR6. In this page, we are going to revise the grammar section of articles and then cardinal and ordinal numbers. Articles. What is meant by articles, ma? An article tells us if the noun is general or specific. It always comes before a noun. What are articles? A and the. A, say along with me. A and the. Look at this. Articles. A and the. Say along with me. A and the. These three are articles. A flower. When the noun starts with the consonant sound, F, so that we use a flower. An apple. When the noun starts with the vowel sound. What are vowel sounds, ma? A, E, I, O, U. When the word starts with an vowel sound, we use an. An. Before that, we use the word an. An apple. And then for the general thing, we use the word the. The red bus. The red bus. Let us move to see the next cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers tells us how many of something we have. They come before a noun. That is cardinal number. Cardinal number means how many. When we answer the question, how many? Maybe 2, 3, 4 like this. If we ask the question how many, we answer like this. 2, 3, 1, 4 like this. Like this we answer the questions for how many, that is known as cardinal numbers. I have 1 apple. These are 2 chopsticks. So that we use the number here 1. Look at the picture. How many oranges are here? 4. Here are 4 oranges. Like this, when we answer the question how many, that is known as cardinal numbers. And then look at the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tells us position of a noun. Ordinal number tells us position of a noun. They also come before a noun. These ordinal numbers will tell us about the position of the noun. What are ordinal numbers, ma? Yes, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and then 10th. Like this, when we have to tell about the position of a noun, we use these words. These are known as ordinal numbers. Just look at the example. Rohan came first in the race. Sejal was second in the race. Tarun was in the third place. This first, second and then third. In this example, first, second, third. These are known as ordinal numbers. Right? Yes. Try to go through these articles and then cardinal and ordinal numbers again and again in your SR book. And then you have to go through your workbooks also. You just go through all these SR book and then you have to practice done in our workbooks. You just go through the both these books in your SR book and then workbooks again and again, ma. Okay, cuties, going to complete our session. All of you take care. Bye. Let us see in our next session. Thank you.